Her starter is looking really good today on day 14. We have a lot of rise here, and we are going to go ahead and give it another feed this morning. Look at all those bubbles. Looks great. Smells good. Sounds good. Can you hear all your bubbles when you stir your starter around? Hear all those little bubbles popping? That is a great sign. We're going to continue with our 5 grams of starter. So let's save our discard in our discard bowl. My bowl is very full. Yours probably isn't as full as mine. Mine is very full. I have a mature starter that I feed every day as well. So these are doubles. And I'll probably be baking with this either tomorrow or the day after. So let's save 5 grams of starter. I'm going to dump the rest of the starter out of my jar and then replace the starter that I have here in the measuring cup in my jar. Put it back into my starter jar. Tare your scale and add your 5 grams of starter back to the jar. And then let's go ahead with adding 70 to 75 grams of water. I'll take it up to 75. We have the 5 grams of starter in there as well. And then let's do 75 grams of flour and just give it a little beefy flour feed. It should smell really sweet tonight after it digests this. Okay, we're going to mix that really well, and then we will recover with our lid and adjust our rubber band on the side to the height of the starter once it's all stirred. And then we will set it out of direct sunlight and let that rise. Check it in about 8 hours and see how it's looking. It should look really bubbly and happy. You can give it a little smell, see if it tests out okay on a smell test. And we'll be back to feed it in 12 hours. This will be our last feed. I mean, we're going to continue feeding every day, but this will be our last feed of our 14-day feed tonight. And then I can maybe share a discard recipe with you, and we can bake a bread tomorrow. All right, I hope you guys all have a wonderful day. Hope your starter is doing really well and that you're feeling successful. I was a little nervous. I've not grown my own starter before from scratch, but I feed one every single day, so I figured that we could probably go ahead and start this together. So I'm glad that you guys have been on this journey with me. Thank you. We'll feed again tonight. See you in 12.